Hey guys, Mason Godwin with Innovative IDM. Today, I wanted to go over one of our servo planetary gearbox lines, Wittenstein, also formerly known as Alpha Gear Drive. I have 3 of their planetary gearboxes with me today. The first one is the LP value line for standard duty applications. We also have the SP with a larger front end bearing for overhung loads. And then right here we have the TP with a direct face mount for indexing tables. Let's get started.
First, we will discuss why a gearbox is essential when using a servo motor. The first benefit is torque multiplication. Gearheads provide a mechanical advantage when mounted to the motor output shaft. The number of gears and the number of teeth on each create a mechanical advantage defined by a ratio. If a motor generates 100 pound-inches of torque, attaching a 5-to-1 gearhead generates output torque approaching 500 pound-inches. The second benefit is speed reduction. Gearheads are often called gear reducers because most increase output torque while decreasing output speed. A motor running at 1000 RPM fitted with a 5-to-1 ratio gearhead outputs 200 RPM. This speed reduction improves system performance because many motors do not operate efficiently at low RPM. The third benefit is inertia matching. Should load inertia significantly exceed that of the motor, it causes excessive overshoot or increased settling times, both of which decrease production line throughput. On the other hand, a motor too large for an application has a high initial cost and consumes more power to accelerate its own inertia. Overall, this provides cost savings. Using a gearhead to multiply torque, reduce speed, and match inertia also helps cut system cost by permitting smaller motors and drives. The LP Plus planetary gearbox is an economical, multi-talent, low backlash planetary gearbox. You can get this with an output shaft or an output flange. They come in 1 stage or 2 stages, from a 3-to-1 all the way to 101 ratios. The max torsional backlash is as low as 8 arc minutes up to 15 arc minutes. The SP Plus is the classic all-round precision gearbox from Wittenstein. The standard version of these low backlash planetary gearboxes with an output shaft is ideally suited for high positioning accuracy and highly dynamic cyclic operation. The SP Plus High Speed is a particularly appropriate for applications with maximum speeds during continuous operation. Some of the highlights include 1 to 6 arc minutes of max torsional backlash. You can get them with a smooth shaft, shaft with a key, spline shaft, or a blind hollow shaft. The TP gearbox from Wittenstein is compact precision. It is a compact top performance with an output flange. The standard version is ideally suited for high positioning accuracy and high dynamic cyclic operation. There's also a TP high torque that is particularly appropriate for high precision applications in which the high torsional rigidity is required. The max torsional backlash ranges from 1 to 4 arc minutes. They also have a tapered roller bearing for absorbing axial and radial forces. There are more bores on the face for very high torque transmission. These are ideal for indexing tables.
This is only 3 of the many precision product lines through Wittenstein, which is only 1 of the many industrial automation lines that we carry here at Innovative IDM. Be sure to give us a call for any of your application needs and check us out at innovativeidm.com. See you next time.